Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, February 7th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the euro dollar, I definitely still am looking at this as an uptrend, and I still believe it is going to end up continuing up. I still think eventually it is going to go up and take out these highs, probably make a nice five-way pattern to the upside and end up looking something like that. I think it's still going to be a correction, and I still think it is going to go down at some point, but probably not for quite some time. So going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this expanding wave 2 is already over. I still think this is a wave 3. I believe this is an uptrend right here, like a wave 1. I think this is a correction, like a wave 2. I think at some point in the near future, it's going to end that correction and head back up for a wave 3. I think this is all part of a bigger wave 3, meaning that this is just a subdivision of that wave 3, like a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and a wave 3 of wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think it's very clear that we had a nice five-way pattern to the upside, and now we're in a corrective move to the downside. We are just about to that 61.8%, which is kind of the target I've been looking for, and it did pretty much take out the low of wave 4. I don't really think it's actually over quite yet. I would like to see something like this. If I see something like that, then I really do think that is probably going to be what ends this correction and continues the uptrend. And also, I do think we are going to need some sort of a big fundamental news to cause this to end a correction. It's probably not just going to end an ABC correction for no reason. And we really don't have much for dollar news this week. So we don't really have any reason, I think, this week to actually end this correction. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I personally am still looking at this move up as a correction. I think it's going to end up being a correction to its last push down. I would expect to see something like this, and I would expect to see another push down. And if it respects the 61.8 and then turns back up, then I will definitely turn into a buyer at the break of structure. But until something like that happens, I would definitely continue to look for sorts. I mean, it could maybe make another bounce up to 61, but then just keep on going down, making lower lows, lower highs, and just keep on trending down, which is why I am definitely still trading with the trend and looking for shorts on these sort of time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement. I am definitely still looking for shorts. I would like to see a Fibonacci bounce, which really at this point this looks like a trend. It actually could be a wave A, and it actually could be a wave B coming. Now, sometimes what we think is a wave B will just keep on trending down. So if it does break to the downside, I probably will go short, even though I suspect the next move down probably is going to be a wave B and it probably is going to go up again to make a wave C. But like I was saying, sometimes what we think is a wave B just keeps on trending down. So it's definitely worth taking the risk to learn and earn at the same time whether this is a wave B or whether it really is the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.